Welcome, Puyaka Puyaka. I'm your host, Tijani Musa, and on this edition of How To, I am going to show you how to have this hashtag show up on your video when you post it up on YouTube. It's very simple to do, and let's get to it. So when you have your video, I'm assuming you already know how to do the rest of it, but to have those hashtags show up on your videos, you just have to, after you do the description of your video right here, underneath the description, you just put hashtag, whatever, the first three words that you want to show up, you put them in the beginning, and those are the words that would show up on your video. So this is on the description of your video or the content that you're posting up. And to have the hashtag show up, just put the hashtag sign, hashtag, and then you write the word that you want to show up. In this case, for me, I put Canva. And then when you go to the video, you should be able to see that show up right here. And as you can see, you have Canva, fact sheet, and information sheet show up. And those are the first three words in the video right here: this word, that word, and this word. So if you like the content of this video, please leave us a comment to get more of these, and share with people that you know and people that you think will benefit from it. Thank you very much.